Let's run through the steps to start an LLC in North Carolina. After this video, you'll know what you need to do to create an LLC on your own, but if you find it overwhelming and you want to save time, I'll also show you later on in this video how in just a few minutes you can give all your information to a formation service and they'll set up the LLC for you. Step 1, name your LLC. When choosing a name for your LLC, keep in mind the following rules. The LLC name must end with LLC, L.L.C. or limited liability company, all written out. Avoid names that might suggest your business is something it's not, like a government agency, bank, or insurance company. For a list of words and phrases that are prohibited by law from being used unless you've received permission from the proper legal authority, as well as other naming requirements, check out this page, link down below. Most importantly, the business name must be unique. Make sure there's not already a business in North Carolina using the name. Search for the name on this page on North Carolina Secretary of State's website. For example, you'll probably have difficulties naming your business Chipotle. Step 2, select a registered agent. This is a person or business that will receive important legal documents and notices from the state on your behalf and forward them to you. This address will be listed publicly, so I wouldn't recommend being your own registered agent and using your home address as your registered agent's address. Your registered agent must keep normal business hours Monday to Friday, and you can't use a P.O. box. If you want to keep your address private, or if you don't want to be at a particular address Monday to Friday during business hours, we recommend hiring a registered agent service. On this channel, we've reviewed multiple registered agents, and our favorite is Northwest Registered Agent. They charge $125 per year, but you can get the first year for free if they form your LLC, which will cost $39 on top of the state fee. You'll find a link to Northwest's website in the description below. Step 3, submit an article of organization. The articles of organization must include business name and address, registered agent information, the name and address of each person executing the articles of organization, and more. The state charges a fee of $125 for filing the articles of organization, as well as a $3 electronic transaction fee if you're filing online. Down below, you'll find a link to file online, as well as a link to download Form L01 to print out and mail in or deliver in person to the North Carolina Secretary of State. Step 4, obtain an employer identification number, EIN. This may also be referred to as a federal tax ID. Think of it as a social security number for your business. If you're the only owner of the LLC and you won't have any employees, you could just use your social security number instead of an EIN, but in most cases, it's better to have one. You may need one for banking, taxes, and for hiring employees. The application process is pretty straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes on the IRS's website. We have a video that'll walk you through how to get one, link below. Step 5, create an operating agreement. This is a document that will state how your LLC will be managed. North Carolina law doesn't require you to have one, but I recommend creating one even if you're the only member of the LLC. Banks may also ask for a copy of your operating agreement when you go to open a business bank account. If you have a complicated situation with many business partners or investors, you may want to work with a lawyer to draft the operating agreement. But in many cases, especially if it's just you, you can use one of Northwest Registered Agents' free operating agreement templates from this page, link below. Step 6, open a business bank account. This will allow you to better keep your personal assets and your business assets completely separate. It will allow you to more easily manage your finances, and it will help you maintain the liability protection your LLC provides. We have this video that you'll find below that'll walk you through how to open an account. Step 7, file a beneficial ownership information report with the Treasury Department's FinCEN. This is something new in 2024. This report discloses information about the primary owners of the LLC. In 2024, you have 90 days after forming your LLC to submit this report. In 2025 and beyond, it must be submitted within 30 days of creating your LLC. To keep your LLC open and in good standing, Step 8, file an annual report and pay a fee of $200, $203 if you file online. This document keeps the state up to date on any information to the LLC's ownership and contact information. The annual report is due by April 15th each year after the year of company formation. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing this is the first time you're creating a business, and all these steps could sound overwhelming. The Secretary of State's website might not be the most user-friendly, and you could have questions along the way. Instead of going it on your own, as I just described, or paying a lawyer potentially thousands of dollars, I recommend working with a formation service to help you get your LLC set up correctly, and it'll only take a handful of minutes. Our favorite registered agent and formation service is Northwest Registered Agent. As I mentioned earlier, they'll help you form your LLC for $39 on top of the fee paid to the state. You also get their registered agent service for free for the first year and a free operating agreement template, something other formation service charge around $90 or $100 for. Now I wanted to quickly show you how in just a matter of minutes you can create an LLC with Northwest. If you use our affiliate link in the description, you'll come to a page that looks like this. By using a link in the description, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. If you like our content, it's a great way to support the channel. Click Get Started. Choose the type of business you'd like to start. We're forming an LLC, which has already been selected. Scroll down to select North Carolina as the state to form your LLC. In the state of North Carolina, standard LLC processing time is 16 days and costs $128. The state fee of $125 plus the $3 electronic transaction fee. If you'd like it processed faster, you can update that here. Then down below, select if you'd like Northwest to file your beneficial ownership information report for an additional $25. Click Continue. Enter the name of your LLC. If you have an attorney and you'd like them to receive a copy of lawsuits and other legal notices, select yes and enter their email. Otherwise, leave it as no. Write your business purpose. What will your business do? Or choose to use a generic business purpose. Select which physical address and mailing address you'd like to record with the state. I'll use our registered agent's address for both. Click Continue. How will your LLC be managed? Will it be member managed or manager managed? Will the members or owners manage the business, or will you elect a manager to run the day-to-day operations of the business? If at any point you have questions, you can click on the question icon to learn more. Also, if you continue to have any questions or need assistance, you'll see their phone number listed here. There's live chat in the bottom corner, or you can fill out this form on their contact page. Here you have the option to include or omit the names of the members of the LLC. If you click the question icon, you'll see that if you omit them, you may have difficulties opening a business bank account. I'm the face of my business, so I don't mind if my name is listed as an LLC member. Here I'll enter my name and use our registered agent's address as the address to record with the state. If you have additional LLC members, click Add Member, enter their information, and when you're done, click Continue. Enter your contact information on this page, name, phone number, and mailing address. Then enter your email and create a password to set up your Northwest account. Here you can get a 90-day trial for their business identity package. This is a good point to mention that we have a training that'll walk you through everything you need to start your business, like a domain, logo, website, business email, business bank account, and more. If you'd like access to this free training, sign up using the link in the description below. I'll turn off this free trial and I won't add any of the options on this page. One of the things I really like about Northwest is that you can add anything you'd like individually. You aren't forced into purchasing an expensive package that includes a lot of things you don't need or want just to get the one thing you do want. Here you can add individually a tax ID, S-Corp election with the IRS, mail services, or trademark service. I'd consider getting the tax ID. Northwest will get your EIN for you for $50 if you have a Social Security number. If you want to do it on your own, again, the video in the description will show you how, but if you don't want to deal with the hassle and you're fine paying an extra $50, you can add it here. S-Corp election. If you're just starting a business, you probably don't need this now, but one of the advantages of having an LLC is that later on you can decide to have your LLC taxed as an S-Corp. This can help you save on taxes, but normally it doesn't make sense until after your business is earning somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 per year of profit. You'll find a video about S-Corps in the description below. Northwest doesn't offer its virtual mailbox service in North Carolina, but if you need a virtual mailbox, down below you'll find a link to Business Anywhere's virtual mailbox service starting at $20 per month. Then the last step is to enter your payment information and click Done. In just a handful of days, with the help of Northwest, you'll have your new LLC. If you'd like to have Northwest help creating your LLC and you want to support this channel, don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description when you're forming your LLC. After your LLC has been created, the next step is to open a business bank account. Learn how to open one in the video up above, or learn down below about the dozen things you'll need when starting a new business. Hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.